in Dubai, in UAE.
Он из Ирландии по национальности, но сейчас проживает в Дубае.
Thank you. A lot more than I understand in Russian, that's for sure. So thank you for that. May I suggest that we show some of the video? It's a bit too long, but we'll show some of it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Another good question, and it's something that is in that race is going for 26 years. Okay. And 2 years ago, 2014, I had our first fatality, our first death. And it was a motorcycle rider who had an accident and he just went off a sand dune and the bike rolled over and landed on top of him. So it was probably one of the worst days of my life. Because I was the organizer and I was responsible for everybody on that race. And it was the first day of the 5-day race.